My name is Manuel Santiago Gonzalez,
My name is Andres Lara.
My name is Juan David Salas.
and we are going to present compound inequalities.
First question we are going to solve today is what is a compound inequality?
It's a mathematical expression containing one or more of the inequality symbol that is called an inequality.
The second question we are going to solve is what are the inequality symbols?
This represent greater than, this is greater than or equal to, this is less than, and this is less than or equal to.
The third question is how do we represent compound inequalities?
Here are some examples of the solution of compound inequalities.
The fourth question is how can we solve a compound inequality?
Depends on if it is multiplication or division.
The fifth question is how can we multiply compound inequalities?
So when we have this that is 4 greater than minus 2, if we want to multiply it, we have to multiply both sides of the inequality by minus 1, and the symbol will change the direction, and this will be the answer.
The sixth question is how can we divide the compound inequality?
So here we have 10 greater than or equal to minus 4. So we divide the both sides of the inequality by minus 2, that is the common factor of 10 and minus 4, and because this is minus 2, the symbol change direction. If it is a positive number, it won't change direction, and this is the answer.
The 11th question is what are the properties to solve linear inequalities?
So the first, if a is greater than b, then a plus c is greater than b plus c. 2. If a is greater than b, then a minus c is greater than b minus c. 3. If a is greater than b and c greater than 0, then a times c is greater than b times c. If a is greater than b, c is greater than 0, then a divided c is greater than b divided c. 5. If a is greater than b and c is less than 0, then a times c will be less than bc. And 6. If a is greater than b and c is less than 0, then a divided c is less than b divided c.
The 8th question is solve inequalities.
So in this example we have 5x minus 7 greater than or equal to minus 17. So 5x greater or equal to minus 17 plus 7, because we pass the 7, it will be 10, so it will be 5x greater or equal to minus 10. We pass the 5 here, we simplify in both sides, and we get x greater or equal to minus 2. In this we have minus 6x plus 4 less than minus 14. So in this will be, we pass the 4 to here, so it will be minus 6x less than minus 14 minus 4. Get this, we get this minus 6x less than minus 18. Then we divide both sides and we get x greater than 18 divide minus 6, so the result is x greater than 3.
So now the ninth question is how to represent inequalities in a number line. So we have this that is a solution of an inequality, and we put it in a number line. We put a line to the direction of the right, because x is greater than or equal to 5. So we put in the number line 5 or greater than. So that line will go infinitely to the right. And here is the way how we write that. So 5, comma, infinitely. The same with this, x less than 3. So we put the x will be 2.9 and to the left infinitely, and
this is the way how to represent it. Finally, with this solution is 2 less than x and x less than or equal to 6. So we put the number line, and the line will be 2.1 until 6, sorry, and this is the way how to represent it. Finally, the 10th question is about how we can eliminate an inequality fraction. So we have this fraction that is 1 divided 4 zeta minus 1.5 less than 2 zeta divided 3 plus 2. So we have to take the least common denominator of 4, 2 and 3, that is 12. So we took 12 and multiplied in both sides. So then we multiply the fraction with 12, then we simplify and start to do like terms, and start simplifying until we get in here, that is minus 5 zeta less than 24 plus 6. So then we divide that answer in minus 5, and the sign will change the direction, and then we simplify. So the 5 and 5 will simplify, will be 1, and the 30 and the minus 5 will be 6. So this will be the answer.